Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable USB debugging in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you want to enable USB debugging in your phone, so let's see how you can do that. Now the very first you have to open the settings. If you want to enable USB debugging, the very first thing you have to enable the developer options or developer mode in your phone. Now for that, just scroll down, go to about phone here, scroll down to end, go to software information, and make 7 clicks on build number. Now start this. There's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You might have to click on OK from confirmation message. Developer mode is now enabled. Just go back from here, scroll down, go to developer options here. And once you see the developer option, just scroll down here and you might see USB debugging. Enable this, click OK. Now your USB debugging is enabled. You can also use wireless debugging, but there it is based on location that varies you're using USB debugging. If you're using USB debugging in your Android Studio app, so I have also used the wireless debugging, you can try this. You might see a Wi-Fi icon in your Android Studio. Just click that and you'll see a QR code and just go to wireless debugging, enable this from here, click allow, and then click on pair with QR code. Once you've selected this, you can easily connect with QR code using QR code by wireless debugging. Don't need any cable, but the main thing is that both of your devices are connected to a single Wi-Fi network. So in this way, you can easily use USB debugging or wireless debugging on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.